With over a decade in the tech industry, smart mobile solutions is the highlight of this evening's business review.
It's a rapidly changing technological landscape, and it's almost as though many are racing to catch up. But here comes Smart Mobile Solutions. From a wholesale distributor of mobile devices to a comprehensive solution center, they have forged a path for themselves. Dane Spencer is the CEO and founder.
I would want to say it's solving a problem. That was essentially what led to the business spawning, right? So we were actually trying to solve a problem where we were getting BlackBerries. We were working at Super Plus at the time, myself and my business partner, Marlon Hudson. And we were actually just trying to figure out how do we protect these handsets that we've invested so heavily in. And we couldn't find anything. So we were kind of started to investigate and we started to we found some solutions.
With over a decade of experience, the company now offers device financing and protection plans, repair services and software development solutions. But the path to success is hardly ever without challenges.
Challenges are constant and actually something that we always have to deal with in business. We have a big glut in terms of software developers. At one time you couldn't find enough. You don't have enough resources in that field locally. Sometimes you found it very difficult because now you're globally competing for the talent.
However, Smart Mobile Solutions has since forged partnerships with industry giants such as Samsung, Liberty and Digicel. Now they are poised to embrace fresh horizons.
What we're looking to do is to kind of expand and export our products, meaning that human capital from the software development side, we want people to more look within the Caribbean for these services, and we believe we're poised or positioned where we are better capable of providing this not only to the North American markets but even within the Caribbean and Latin America.
And Mr. Spencer says the company's exponential growth is the driving force behind rewriting the narrative of what a solution center can achieve.
We only believe in win-win partnerships and win-win business. So if you are a customer of Smart Mobile, that should always be what is on your mind, that we're here for you to win and us to win together.
For the Business Review, I'm Hal Shaneberg.